So we have to copy paste the actual value of the target and the predicted. So I'll start from here, these two columns. Okay, copy. And we paste here. Okay. So now residual would be predicted minus, I'm sorry, these are in, okay. So we have actual and predicted. So first is actual, so I need to interchange these two. Okay, so that's predicted, this is price. This is the actual. So you have to pay attention to these. So now actual target and predicted target will give you the residual, and absolute residual will give you the absolute value of the residual, and then you copy to the rest of the cells and use these to compute uh, these values. Okay. As I said, I'm going to skip that. Now D is prepare a cumulative lift chart. So for cumulative lift chart, what we have to do is to sort these. Okay, so I'm going to copy paste these two columns. Okay, over here. So predicted and price. Okay. So now what we have to do is to sort these two columns by predicted. So we want to see how well the actual values align with the predicted values, meaning that the larger value of the targets get larger predicted value, and smaller value of target gets predicted as smaller value. So if there is alignment, then that's a good model. So and that's what we're comparing here. We need to find the actual. So we sort by predicted. So we go sort. Now we do it from largest to smallest. Okay, and then you can set up case number here. All right, so cumulative price is sum of, now that, okay, make that absolute reference. Okay, the first part should be absolute reference. Okay, so then copy that all the way. Okay, now the average price. So we are going to compare the cumulative actual against the cumulative average. Okay, is the prediction, when the actual prices are sorted by prediction, are we getting better results in sorting than just the average? So here we do the average of the actual price. Okay. Okay, so that's the average. Now you want this column to be average Okay, so we are comparing the actual price against the average price. So we're going to pair each actual price with just the average. So this column must all be the same average value, right? Then we did a cumulative of the actual price. Now we do a cumulative of the average price. And okay, here S9 should be absolute. Okay. So here is the, after having sorted by predicted price, this is how the actual predicted price cumulative um, comes out. Okay, and how does it align with the cumulative average? That's what we have to plot, and that's our lift chart D. So here it will be the cumulative price insert. We can do a line graph or scatter plot. Either way will work. So let me do a line graph. That's your cumulative price. Okay, and then go to select data, and you add the next one, which is we're going to compare that against the cumulative of the average. Okay, and there you have it. After that, you have to format the graph, give titles and so on and so forth. And when we sort the data by predicted value, okay, the largest actual prices must come on top when you sort it by descending order. So the blue line, as you know, the farther the blue line is from the average, okay, so if it goes up straight up and then flattens out, the better the prediction model is. So that's D.